morning, Northmore Elementary. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, 2025.
And we have two very special guests with us this morning. As you can see, we have fourth graders.
Sophia Kidwell
and
Bria Barber.
And Bria Barber, and they paid Gold Night tickets to help us with announcements today. Sophia, what is that weather going to be like outside today?
Today's weather is 67 degrees sunny.
Can you translate instead of 6-7? What is that?
Today is 67 degrees sunny.
All right, Bria, what's for lunch?
Lunch today is chicken tenders, corn salad, and mandarin oranges.
Okay, and we have some Wig Wednesdays to shout out some students for. Sophia has our first one.
Second grader Nevin Huggins is 100% fluid in multiplication.
It's okay.
No.
Addition
And subtraction.
Addition and subtraction.
Facts on reflex.
Yes. All right, Bria.
Third grader Zoe Klein has passed 100 I-Ready reading lessons.
All right, great job to Nevin and Zoe. I'm gonna give our friends here a dad joke. They haven't heard this one. We'll see how they like it. What is the leading cause of dry skin?
No, not enough water.
Towels. All right, can you guys help me say the Northmore Elementary motto? Repeat after me. I am a golden knight.
I am a golden knight.
I lead myself so I can lead others.
I lead myself so I can lead others.
I am respectful, responsible, safe, and compassionate.
I am respectful, responsible, safe, and compassionate.
I am in charge of my own actions. Somebody tell him choose a patriot.
Choose a patriot to lead your class in the Pledge of Allegiance. Bye.
Friends, I have some more Wig Wednesday shout outs to give to you, some individuals, and then some classroom recognition for classes who had 90% or more in their lead measures for the month of April. So I want to give those to you this morning. For Mrs. Hollis's class, with over 100 I-Ready lessons passed in I-Ready reading, Isabella Whitcomb, Caleb Miller, and Ella Coudrier. Congratulations to the three of you. And then this celebration comes from Miss Sutton, and I had the opportunity to personally celebrate with this student the other day. Remington Bruner passed 100 I-Ready math lessons. Awesome job, Remy. Super proud of you, buddy. Then the following classes have had these classes in these grade levels with 90% or more students using their lead measures for the month of April. In kindergarten, Mrs. Richards' class and Mrs. White's class. First grade, Mrs. Blevins' class. All four second grade classes, great job second grade. In third grade, Mrs. Wiseman's class. Fourth grade, Mrs. Harsh and Mrs. Hollis's class. And in fifth grade, Mr. Rashawn's class. Excellent job to those classes for putting first things first. And the reason I'm standing here by our school-wide WIG leaderboard is to just remind you of that tie-in of using those lead measures, and that's going to help us meet or reach our school-wide WIG. If you didn't remember, our school-wide WIG is that 80% of students are on track in reading by the end of the year. Next week, our I-Ready final end-of-year diagnostic window opens, so at some point within the next week or two, you're going to be taking that end-of-year diagnostic. Put first things first, do your absolute best, forget the rest, don't rush, take your time, use your lead measures. Let's help us meet our goal. Some of you grade levels are very close. For example, third grade, you were at 70% at mid-year, so you don't have that much further to go. I'm confident we can get there, and if all of us synergize and work together, hopefully we can get to that 8% or darn close to it. All right, friends, have a great Wednesday.